Currently, we're in Park Street. So in this area, there is Victoria Memorial. So Victoria Memorial was built for Queen Victoria, obviously.
I don't know the dating.
Okay. So you know, British people colonized here in Kolkata, right? So it was here they came and they settled and they built all these buildings and it looks like England. So let's go check it out. It looks nice though. Like this. So this is So we're going to Victoria Memorial. Just walking there because it was 10 minutes. So yeah, let's see. Look at that. Put this enough. My legs are killing me. I probably lost like 10 kgs. Ah, fuck. I never walked that much in my life. Kolkata is pretty clean. Right, Marcia? Oh my god! Yeah. He makes it, you know. So this is the we're buying the tickets there. And give my wallet. Oh, I need that fan though. Kitna hai? How much is this? Huh? I do need that. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. This one is clear. हम सस्ता ही देता हम खुद बनाता है. आके लेगा ठीक है? है तो क्या देता है? बताओ छोड़ दे. अब वो क्या देता है? नहीं. Give it 20 rupees. छोड़ते नहीं हम खुद बनाते हैं. It looks like we're in England. Hi guys, so we're at the museum, the Victoria Memorial Museum, and we're just gonna have a look. It's such a big place. It's like a palace, so it looks really good. They have such a beautiful garden, and these are like these are the history. Subhash Chandra Bose. Whoa. Look at the painting, it's so huge. It's bigger than my house. Look at that. Damn, the frame though. These are the British people who came and ordering Indian people around. The audacity. This is what we came to do in the museum. Hot. So this is my castle. Welcome guys. Louder. So welcome to my house guys. House tour. So come here. Let's go. See a house tour. What a deep. What? Say again. They should have probably opened the windows. It's quite hot. And put AC. Look at her skills. Look at her concentration. Let's look at the picture. Look at the freaking leg. Now he's gonna take further picture. So it's gonna take myself picture. In it, so look at, let's see how it came out. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. So guys, we're done with touring the Victoria Memorial, the museum. Now we're gonna go to a beautiful garden. Yeah, so look at the garden. So it's like sun is setting and the view is so nice. Look around here, it's like all green. Yeah, let's go. Don't have to stop it. Oh, look at the sky. Here's the sun is setting that side. We'll follow the sunset. Then follow the sunset. Look at the building behind us. It looks like it's Photoshop, but it's real. There's a hunk in the